This video is about playing alternative scales to open A major. If you remember, open A major starts on the 5th string. It's the open. So it's, it's good to play when you're starting out. But, it gets kind of boring. It's not too boring, but you want to spice it up a little bit. This scale is an A7 across, okay? So you're going to start on the 6th string, 5th fret with your 4th finger. And here's how it goes, and then I'll show you. You can take a screenshot of it. Okay, one more time. Start with our 4th finger. And there it is, the screenshot right there. Okay, A7 across. All right, it's an A major scale. You can use that as an alternative to that A open scale. So we're going to start on the 6th string, 5th fret with our 4th finger. Move up to the 6th string, 5th fret, 4th finger. Move up to the 5th string, 2nd fret with your 1st finger. Then play the 4th fret with your 3rd finger. 5th fret with your 4th finger. So it's 4, 1, 3, 4. On the 2nd string, 2nd, 3rd, 5th frets. Do the exact same thing on the 4th string. Same frets, 2nd, 4th, and 5th with your 1st, 3rd, and 4th fingers. 3rd string, just play the 2nd and 4th frets with your 1st and 3rd fingers. Now you're going to go up to the 2nd string. Instead of playing 1, 3, 4, your fingering is going to be 1, 2, 4. Same thing on the 1st string. So both the 2nd and 1st strings, you're using your 1st, 2nd, and 4th fingers on the 2nd, 3rd, and 5th frets. Hammer-ons, pull-offs. Just recently made a video about hammer-on pull-offs. Check out that video. That'll help you with the hammer-ons and pull-offs. Be sure to transpose as well. You could even play the blues scale with the extension. Look at my video on how to play a blues scale, okay? And blues scale with the extension, it's an A. That helps as well. So these are alternative scales to the A major. Some people are saying, yeah, well, if you're a major, how can you mix up a minor? Well, you can mix it up a little bit. And just as long as you go back to the first scale that you started with, which in this case could be a major. And the final scale I want to show you is a diminished whole tone scale. It's not very common. All right, it's not very common at all. It's a whole tone scale in the sense that you're going up a whole tone, but this is like a step and a half, and it's just really awesome, I think. And so if you're in the key of A, I'm writing some more fingering on it. Screenshot that bottom scale, the diminished whole tone in A. Got a question mark on there because sometimes you could start a half step up or a half step below. And with diminished scales, whole tone scales, that works. Go a little bit outside the box. So there's that. That's going to start with your 1st finger on the 6th string, 5th fret. And guys, it's important that we alternate our picking. If you're brand new and you still want to just use some down picks, that's cool. But eventually, it's a good idea to alternate the picking. There it is, slow. Okay. So it's a great scale. we go, slow. Fifth fret, 3 times. Down, up, down. 8th fret with your 4th finger. Start with your 1st finger. You're going to get to the 8th fret with your 4th finger. Now you're on the 5th string. You're going to be dealing with your 1st and 4th fingers on the 6th and 10th frets. And you're just playing each note once this time. And that pattern's going to work like that. The 6th string, you're going to hit the 1st note 3 times, the next note 1 time. Then on the next string, you're going to hit each note just once. 3 times. Next note once, and then just 1 time. Now we're up on the 7th fret of the 4th string with your 1st finger. Hit that note 3 times. And your 4th finger will go on the 10th fret, 4th string. Now we're on the 8th fret, the next string, on the 3rd string to the 12th fret. So you notice that we went from our 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, and because of tuning, when we tune the 3rd and 2nd strings, we got to go down a half step. So with this scale, we're going to go up a whole step. Remember, we start on the 8th fret, 3rd string, but now we're going to be on the 2nd string to the 10th fret. Hit that note 3 times. Then you're going to hit the 13th fret with your 4th finger once. Now you're going to hit the 11th fret and the 15th fret with your 4th finger. 11th fret with your 1st finger, 15th fret, and then the 17th fret. So you stop on the A. So you're covering from the lowest note to the highest note. You know, I got 20 frets on this acoustic guitar. A lot of you can be using, acoustic or electric, and you're covering all those notes. So that's a really cool scale if you're in A. All right, hope you enjoyed that. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Keep playing and have fun.